Hello, good morning. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. I would like to teach you our introduction to Microsoft Excel. Firstly, what is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is an application that we use for calculation, tabulation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. It can also be used to arrange names alphabetically and many more. There are many more uses. It can be used to make receipts for your business, official receipts. So now I'm trying to introduce you to Microsoft Excel. If you check the first bar at the top here where it is being written Book 1 Microsoft Excel, that is where it's called the title bar. That is the title bar. Title bar will always carry the name of an application. Every application will always have a title bar. Every application will always have a the next bar below the title bar is the menu bar, where you have the home, insert, page layout, formula, data review, etc. We have the formatting bar. The formatter is the area where you have the Calibri 11 BIU. Why this is the formula bar, where formula bar is written, that's why it's called formula. What about this? Where you have the alphabet, that's where is it called a column. Why where you have the numbers is called the row. That is, the vertical is the vertical part of it is the column, while the horizontal is the row. So now you check. If you check under page layout, the first thing you need to do whenever you want to type under Excel is you need to set up your page, which is, so you go to the menu bar where you have the page layout, home and start page layout. So once you click on page layout, you click on the margin. Margin is margin orientation size. Size is the size of the paper you want to work on. Orientation is, you want, maybe the paper is landscape